When I decided I wanted to learn how to use the camera, I didn't own a camera, and I was concerned about spending money to get one and then giving up early and not using it. So I wanted to do a little experiment first, and I called my good friend Greg Hoyt, who is in all my movies, and I asked him if I could come over and shoot him with my iPhone, just hanging out in different rooms of his apartment in different types of lighting, because I wanted to see if I could get decent angles on him. That's how unsure of myself at that point I was. And the footage I got that night was good. It was decent. It encouraged me that I could maybe become better. There's one shot where it's dark. It looks like moving ants. It's a noisy picture because there was not enough light hitting the camera. But for the most part, the rest of the shots looked good, and it's actually kind of an interesting little video because Greg is a great conversationalist, and he was just talking off the top of his head with me, and we were having a good discussion like we always do when we shoot. And so it actually turned out well, considering we had no script.
She used to say, you gotta go after your passion and be real passionate. And now she's like, it's really follow your curiosity.
It can be fun to do a little baby step like that just to see what you get and to see if maybe you could like shooting and directing. I think if you find a charismatic friend or an entertaining friend and you just put them on camera and you just shoot some scenes with them and then you stitch them together and see what you get, I think it can get you really excited to do more. And it can be just a good little exercise before you commit to buying a camera.